welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday, November 13th, and it's currently 10:08 a.m. So what's on the agenda today is I am going to be finishing up a skirt that I started crocheting I think 2 days ago. Yeah, I need to finish up the skirt because I did make a top for it, and the top is already finished. So once the skirt is done, I will come back on camera to show you guys the finished look with the skirt and top together. And then I have to finish up a crochet scrunchie that I'm working on. I've been trying to make a bunch of scrunchies because I'm trying to get my website up, but I do want to like have a bunch of crocheted accessories that I can have up on there as well. And I will be taking commissions on my website as well. So if there's something that you need me to make for you, like a custom piece, you can put in an order on the website as well. So yeah, so today I am making breakfast right now, and then after that eat my breakfast, and then I'm gonna get to finishing up the skirt, and then I'll come on camera and show you guys the top and skirt together and show you guys the outfit. But yeah, that's today's agenda. Yeah, I think that's about it. If I have anything else to say or fill you guys in on, I will come back on camera and I'll let you guys know. But for now, bye. I'll see you later. Hi guys. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how much I've done with the skirt. I wanted to show you guys how far I've come with the skirt. I wanted this to be a maxi skirt. If I don't have enough yarn, I'm just gonna have to make do with what I have, and it might just be a short skirt. So we'll see about that. But I'm so sorry guys, my son is watching TV, so you might hear the background noise. Please bear with me. I've never vlogged before. This is my first ever vlog. Hopefully with time, I will get better and there will be some type of improvement. But please do bear with. I will get the hang of this. And hopefully there's improvements down the line and I can give you guys quality vlogs in the future. But anyways, yeah, this is how far I've gotten on the skirt. If I do show you the finished product and it's longer, then I did have enough yarn. But if not, then you know, yeah, the yarn chicken caught up to me. Anyways, but yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and crochet. If I have anything else to say to you guys, I will come back on camera. But for now, bye. So sit down and watch your show, alright? Okay, love you. What are you doing? You're gonna race?
Yeah.
Can you race?
Yeah.
What are you racing with?
I got the point to clean.
You what?
Yes.
You wanna race? Go race in the other living room.
Okay.
Used to know about love. Thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart, until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. First you showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. If the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you.
Hi guys. So today is, where's my phone? Today is Thursday, November 14, and it's currently 11:19 a.m. The last time I spoke to you guys, I took a bit of break to get some stuff done around the house. The skirt is kind of actually done, and I still need to weave in some ends. But this is the waist, and I know, it looks small, but it stretches. It stretches. So it's gonna fit. And that's kind of like the look I was going for. And now I'm working on the bottom of the skirt. I'm trying to give it a little bit of like a ruffly look. And as you can see, I decided to go for a short skirt because I decided to not play yarn chicken and just keep it short, because even if I had continued, I don't think I have enough yarn to hit the length that I was going for maxi wise. I decided to just keep it short and just do a ruffle edging. Yeah, I think that's it. What else am I forgetting? But yeah, so I'm currently working on the bottom. I'm going to finish the bottom of the skirt within the ends, and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look with the skirt and the top on, and I'll show you guys what the outfit looks like. And I was thinking of crocheting a matching scrunchie. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of the yarn that I have left over. I was going to crochet like a white scrunchie and then use this color yarn for the edging of the scrunchie. Or I don't know if I have enough of the yarn to make like a mesh shrug or sweater, but not like a full sweater, just like have it stop right under my boobs. But I don't know. I'm just kind of all over the place in my head right now. Let's just focus on the skirt for now. So I'm just going to finish up the ruffle and then go in with some black yarn. You guys will see why I'm going in with the black yarn. But yeah, anyways, let me get back to this. I feel like I'm rambling a lot now. I'm just yapping. Am I yapping? Guys, let me know if I'm yapping. But anyway, I'm just gonna finish up the skirt and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like on. I hope everything I've said so far makes sense. Because if not, well, oh well, too bad. I will see you guys later. Bye. Been a while since I picked up the camera. I believe the last time I spoke to you guys, it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I think it was 3 days ago. But today is Monday, November 18, and it's currently 10:22 a.m. I finished the skirt. Last time I spoke to you guys, I was supposed to weave in the ends of the skirt and the top and all that. I didn't do that. I'm just gonna try my best to hide the loose ends and just show you guys the skirt and the top on. I just want to wrap up this video so I can edit it and have it out. So yeah, I'm just going to try it on as is and finish up this video. But yeah, the skirt and the top is done. I just need to basically show you guys. Right now I'm in my craft room. It's a mess. it needs to be organized. So that's why I'm trying to wrap up this video, because that is going to be another video in itself, because I'm probably going to record the process of like organizing and putting it together. By no means is it like all put together. I'm still trying to figure out how I want my craft room to look. So I'm still in the like decorating and figuring things out process. But for now, we're just going to make do with what we have right now. But let me show you guys around. It's kind of a mess. Hold on. So over here, I just have the desk with the printer, computer, and then up there I have a shelf with books on it. I just have this art that I thrifted. There was kind of like glass over here, but I kind of ripped out the glass because I didn't like it. I was thinking of doing this like painting the frame of it, but for now it is what it is. I just have that hanging up here, and then yeah, this is a mess, a whole mess. Up there I have embroidery threads, some packaging supplies, yarn that I wound up. They're not supposed to be up there, but for now. Some more books. Over there I have sewing bobbins, crochet books up there. I have my art book up there as well. And then this thing, I have my knitting flatbed knitting machine right here. And then there's a bunch of things going on right here, but I need to sort all this out. I just have my dress form. And then on this side, I have a pegboard up, some sewing threads. Up there, I have some pattern making books and all of that. Sewing machine, embroidery machine right there, and then I just have a mirror right there. I don't know what I want to put, like a little sofa couch thing over here where I can actually sit sometimes to like crochet and whatnot. And then in this closet over here I have this. Azad made this mess. He did this mess. But anyways, I have this shelving unit thing over here with my serger on top of it, some yarn in here, some embroidery that has to do with something with embroidery. I forgot what the name is, but I just have some like work in progress in those bins over there. And then this is all yarn basically. This place needs organizing as well. I have some work in progress in this. This is just scrunchies. Some more work in progress in there. And then up here I have yarn on that side. Those are all acrylic yarn, I believe. And I'm trying to use up all my acrylic yarn because I'm trying to minimize how much acrylic yarn I'm using. I'm trying to use up what I have, but I was trying to see if I can like do a giveaway as well. And then here I have fabrics. And then when you turn on in this other small closet inside of a closet, over there I have that black shelving where I have my sweatshirts. For embroidery, down here I just have some crochet bags that I've made. I have packing paper to like ship out orders. And then over here I have most of these are like my cotton yarn. Yeah, I think a lot of it is cotton yarn, except for this I got from the thrift store, which I'm regretting getting it because it's acrylic and I don't want to use acrylic mohair. If I'm gonna use like anything that has like a mohair type texture or feel, I want to get the actual mohair yarn. But for now it's there. I'm probably gonna like give it away, but for now it's there. And then up there I just have some more embroidery things at the top over there. And then in there I have zippers. And then down here, central knitting machine and some cables that needs to be sorted out. And then some shipping boxes. Yeah, that's basically the overview of this room. It needs to come together, like majorly needs to come together, but for now this is what I'm working with. Anyway, okay guys, so this is the finished look. I have the skirt and the top. What do we think? Ignore any loose ends, but anyway, so the top I did the TSP method. I saw this creator on YouTube, her tutorial on how to do the TSP crochet shirring method by the creator YL. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, so I followed her TSP crochet shirring method to make this top. And what do you guys think? It's cute. I'm obsessed with it. And then I just wanted to make like a matching skirt to go with it. I can always wear the top separate and wear the skirt with something else, but I can always wear it together as well. I love a matching set moment. I just think it's so cute. That TSP crochet shirring method, it's game changer. Like, I have so many ideas now in my head of how I can utilize that method, you know. But I am obsessed with it. This is probably about to be my new personality for a while. But yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? Anyways, you guys make sure you go watch her video, and I'll have her linked down in the description box below. It's so stretchy and there's no closure on this top. It's just the shirring. It is so game changer. Like, I have a million ideas going through my head, and I can't wait to get creative. But anyways, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. More videos to come, so make sure you subscribe. Join this little corner of the internet, you know, my little community. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys look forward to videos like this. There's more to come, so please do make sure you subscribe. I'll wait. You done yet? Okay. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Love you. Bye.
Love, thought I did until I knew your heart didn't